You've probably typed a prompt into ChatGPT before, asking a question, getting a quick response, maybe even copying it into a doc. And for a lot of people, that's where the interaction ends. But what if that same prompt could trigger code, create content, or power an actual product? That's what the ChatGPT API lets you do. It's how developers connect AI to real workflows. Instead of you talking to ChatGPT, it's your software doing the talking. So in this video, we'll show you how to get started with ChatGPT API for your applications, even if you're not a senior developer. And if you don't want to wire everything together from scratch, ClickUp, the world's first converged AI workspace, already does this for you. ClickUp Brain is the context-aware AI layer inside ClickUp, built directly into the workspace so it understands your tasks, docs, and projects with full context and no API setup required. Let's begin. In order to call the API, you first need a few basics in place. It starts with getting your API key from OpenAI. This key lets your app talk to OpenAI's models, so store it safely and never share it. With the key ready, you'll need a coding environment. Python is the simplest to start with, and to write your scripts, you'll want a clean editor. VS Code works well for quick testing. Now, one quick note on pricing. It's not a subscription like ChatGPT Plus. You're billed by tokens, small pieces of text in each prompt and response. Most use cases stay cheap, but usage can scale quickly if you're not careful. Once all that's set, you're ready to send your first request. This is the moment your application actually talks to the model. You start by initializing the client using your API key. Next, you choose the model you want to work with. Then you send instructions and user input together as a single request. The model processes the request and sends a response back. All your app needs to do is read that output and use it wherever it's needed. At a high level, every request follows the same flow. One request goes in and one response comes back. That response can power anything: chat, content, summaries, or internal tools. And once this is working, you have the foundation to start building real features. Now, writing your first API call is exciting, but turning it into a real product takes a lot more. You'll need to manage security, scaling, model changes, and interface logic. And unless you want to spend weekends debugging requests, there's another path. ClickUp Brain, an inbuilt AI assistant that lives inside ClickUp, ready to act on real context. It understands your docs, so it can help you draft, edit, summarize, or expand content without copying anything into another tool. It understands your tasks, so it can break work down, suggest next steps, generate updates, or help you move work forward using real project context. It understands your projects and workflows, so answers aren't generic. They're grounded in what's actually happening across your work. Because Brain is already woven into ClickUp, you don't need an API key, setup, or maintenance. The context is already there, so you have two options. If you want to build your own AI-powered app, grab an API key and start coding. But if you want AI to support your work right now, across writing, planning, and execution, try ClickUp Brain for free at clickup.com.